¿Qué pasa?
Hi, how are you? This is Angela from the warranty department. The reason I'm calling is to remind you that we sent you a final warranty notice in the mail, letting you know that the warranty on your vehicle has expired, and this is the final call for you to renew before we close the file. So, would you like to hear options about getting back under coverage?
Sure.
Okay, great. Well, I just need to ask you a few questions to see if we can still get you qualified. Do you have less than 150,000 miles on the car?
No.
I am sorry we could not help you with that today. But before you hang up, the International Travel and Tourism Group is currently working to boost the travel industry and promote future travel by offering a free 4-day Mexico resort stay to a limited number of guests that will be willing to travel in the next 24 months. Would you be interested in receiving a free 4-day resort stay that can be used in
Nobody
the next
gives
2
a
years?
shit. What's fucking wrong with you?
Okay, please hold the line while I transfer you.
You stupid cunt.